Hello guys, do you know you can manage all your WhatsApp messages right from your Amazfit Bip 6 smartwatch? Yes, I know it is affordable smartwatch, plenty of advanced features, including social media apps and notifications. Yes, you can manage all your WhatsApp messages from your smartwatch, and also you can reply them with different input methods like traditional keyboard, voice assistant, quick replies, as well as emojis. So, if you don't know how to get WhatsApp messages on your smartwatch, then here in this video I will guide you. But before that, if you are new to my video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. If you are a new user and switched from your Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch to the Amazfit smartwatch, then you should know that Amazfit watches doesn't support official WhatsApp app. Yes, it's true. On Galaxy Watch or Apple Watch, you can use official WhatsApp app and also you can make a WhatsApp call. But here, the story is different. So you have to rely on different methods. Here, first you have to get WhatsApp messages on your smartwatch, and after that, you can manage them. You can view them, delete them, or just reply them with different methods. So now let's start with how to get WhatsApp messages on your smartwatch. And for that, you have to open official pairing app, Zep app on your smartphone. So open Zep app. In Zep app, you have to go to your device. In the device section, select Amazfit Bip 6. Here, you have to choose notifications and reminders option. Now, in this option, you will see notifications tab. Just click on it. And finally, in this section, you will see all apps. You will see all apps that you have installed on your smartphone. Now, scroll down below until you see WhatsApp Messenger app. Now, you have to enable toggle in front of WhatsApp Messenger. To get notifications on your smartwatch, you have to enable and allow all the permissions on your smartphone. If you have disabled it or you have never given any permission to the watch, then you have to go to settings, and after that here give every permissions. When you give permission to the app, then after that it will deliver all your messages notifications on your smartwatch. So don't forget that. Now when you enable toggle in front of WhatsApp, then it will ready to deliver all your WhatsApp messages on your smartwatch. Now, in the next step, you have to open your smartwatch. In the smartwatch, to view and read WhatsApp messages, you have to swipe your finger from bottom to top, and here in the notification section, you will see all your incoming WhatsApp messages. Now, to read that message, just tap on it. Here, you can view your message. Now, to reply to your message, just tap on traditional keyboard. Thanks to the big screen of Amazfit Bip 6, the typing on keyboard is really convenient. You can type and send any message. After that, you can also choose voice assistant and emojis. If you want to give longer reply, then it is best to use voice assistant. And the good thing is, it recognizes every languages, including English. The fourth option is quick replies. Yes, you can also use quick replies to send replies. And also, you can edit or add more quick replies from official app. You will see quick replies option in the same notifications and reminders option. Just go there, edit your current message, or you can also add more preloaded messages. Finally, just remember that do not disturb mode is off on your smartphone. If your do not disturb mode is on, then it will not deliver any message to your smartwatch. So make sure about that. Thanks for watching my video guys. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.